Hello and welcome. I'm Ken. My goal here is to unite different YouTube niches into one channel in hopes to inspire you to learn something new. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing my JLC wrist alarm. And what a way to start a video than to showcase the watch of the day, the JLC monoface Reverso. Here's what it sounds like. Come on. Doink. I love that. It's so satisfying. Cool. The boxer cutter of the day that's going to help us is none other than my Cricut CEO flipper. Absolutely love this everyday carry as well. So let's get into unboxing here. Well, you know what? Because we have the addresses and I didn't take the foresight to tape our addresses, so I'm gonna take it back to the big screen and we're gonna take it from here. Alright. So why did I buy this watch? Well, I'm a weird collector. I like to have two watches from each brand on display in each of my watch boxes. So I was considering, I don't have a second JLC. Do I want another Reverso? Yes. The answer is always yes for another Reverso. I was actually looking into their Reverso chronographs. Oh, that just came out. It goes for about 25K, but unfortunately I don't freely have 25K hanging about. So alright, let's get into the reason why we're here, not the reason why we want to be there. Let's do it. Closes beautifully, this knife. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. I hope it's not dead on arrival. DOA. Boop. I need to press the squeak alarm or squeak button, because it is my favorite button to press. Alright, home dog. So whoever wrapped this really treated it as a vintage watch. Because it doesn't really look like they cared about the packaging. They just cared about making a quick buck. But hopefully that quick buck is worth it. As much as I want to do this on cam, I really got to make sure that I don't damage this watch here. Or my wrist. Like back in high school. Just kidding. But it is nothing to kid about, so if you are in that state of mind, I am sorry for you. Fortunately for you, if you are here, you are well past your hungry attention days. Ew. Where is the freaking... Hey! Holy crack. It's tinier than I thought. Sick. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. The JLC wrist alarm. It's probably focus better once I take it out of the bag here. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Can you please focus for me, camera? Dude, this thing is a tiny sucker. Oh, but it's so pretty. Alright. Let me actually get my calipers. I'll be right back. Hold on. Alright. Okay, let's see how this looks, huh? or wears. Lug to lug. We got 37.2. Case width. Wow, this is tinier than I thought. Sorry for the exposure, everybody. The camera's trying to auto correct here. 10.6 millimeters. And here, the crazy thing is this lug width is like 16, so it's gonna take some time to get a strap collection going on. Yeah, about 16 millimeters. Let's case diameter. That's the last measurement we gotta take, right? .3 millimeter. Yeah, dude. I cannot wait to see if this thing freaking works. Alright. So, it ain't working right now. Ooh, you hear that? That is cool. Sorry. It's like old tinny. Okay. But the question is, do you tick? Come on, JLC. Are you alive? It's alive. Let me just get it to focus on that. Yeah, baby. Can you hear it? It's pretty loud. Well, we came here for the alarm function. So let's try that out. I believe we have to wind the alarm function now. I love how it sounds. Okay. And then we pull the crown out, I believe, to change the location. Yeah, look at that. You can see the thing move. Focus, please. There we go. Oopsie doopsie. Wrong crown. What in the world? I don't want to break this. Oh, I gotta spin it only one. It only spins one direction. Okay, unidirectional crown. And you just hit it like that. Sweet! Dude! Dude, that's sick. I love this watch. The band? I don't know, guys and girls, what do you think of the band? I think I want to get rid of it, to be honest, and put it on something a little bit more low-key, like a black alligator strap or a Teju lizard strap. I have no idea quite yet. So this thing is gold-filled. There's a difference between gold-plated, gold-filled. Gold-filled, they use much more than just plating. So they use a lot more gold than your traditional gold plating. But the patina on this thing is really cool too. I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah. What a classy watch. I want to see what it looks like on the wrist. My wrist is 6.75 inches. And we shall see. I'm going to put these two side by side so you have a better idea of the wearing dimensions here. Okay, here we go, baby. Putting this on the wrist for the first time. Sick. Ooh, I dig that. Please. Well, the seller had the courtesy to send me a new strap, I think, because this feels a little bit, oh, you know what? I dig this. I really do. Friends, the buckle's gold. Probably gold plated, to be honest. Yeah, here's from a far shot. I want to do an in-depth review here after this video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to set the time. Actually, you know what? Let's set the time together. Let us set the time together. I need to pull out my trusty atomic clock. One moment here. 12:54 p.m. I'm gonna wait until that seconds goes all the way back. I like the red seconds hand and how it matches the alligator strap. I hope that's original. If not, then I guess that's okay too. If you are into cameras, can you help me understand why the focus is so hard to get to? Oh shit. Oh, it's one of those where it doesn't have a hacking seconds hand. We're learning something every new today. So we just gotta move the sucker. 12:54. 12:55. 12:55 here. I want to get it exact, so pardon me. Yeah, this patina is so pretty. And that looks about right. Cool. There you have it. Set at the perfect time. Come on. There we go. I can't wait to put this on my wrist and like actually use it for its intended purposes, which is to wake you up or whatever other times you need in your life where you need to use your wrist as an alarm and not your phone. But let me know down in the comments if this is a watch that you like. I definitely adore this thing. I know I just opened it and I'm smitten, but yeah, I think this one's actually going to stay in the collection for quite some time here. Sweet. Yeah, we're gonna keep this probably as an heirloom or something. Give it to my Akita or something. I don't know. Well, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. I had a fun time unboxing this and looking at it with you all here. As always, here's an invitation to subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon.